What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin. Today I'm out in Biot at the Medieval Festival. I mean, have a look. Everybody's all walking around, the swords. I came here last year to check it out. It was a lot of fun. And again, today I'm gonna walk down and see what we can see today. Welcome back to the medieval times here in France.
Donc voilà.
I mean, you see that? It's pretty crazy. Back in the medieval times, the hay, everything again. Doing up the old school style. Look at him, fully dressed. Teaching some kids how to fight with swords. This festival goes on for, I think, 3 or 4 days here, but it's pretty cool. They get really dressed up and celebrate this one time of the year. Okay, I'm gonna go down where the spectacle is right here, and we'll check it out and have a look at this. They got the knights, the swords.
Messieurs, dames, s'il vous plaît, on avance.
Look at that.
Le chevalier anglais, qu'on lui baille lance.
How cool is that?
Le chevalier byzantin.
Fully dressed in the full.
Redoutable.
So cool.
Et 2 chevaliers aux presses de monture. Et le temps qu'ils se mettent en place, je voudrais un tonnerre d'applaudissements pour nos chevaux, s'il vous plaît, qui viennent de loin, qui ont fait un long voyage et qui donnent tout ce qu'ils ont. Pour vous, Biot.
That's the gendarme telling me to advance.
Et laissez aller. Halte, c'est un point pour l'Angleterre.
He just hit him right in the head with that. That's pretty wild.
La puissance de Valiente, la rapidité de Nacre sont mises à profit. Le chevalier anglais est éliminé, il n'en reste plus que 2.
Have a look at all these guys right here. Pretty cool. You see what the kids are climbing on? That used to be an old fence back in the day. All made out of brick, and yeah, it's pretty cool. And of course the police are here everywhere. Have a look at all these people behind me, and then all up in front of me here, all trying to make it around to come and check out the spectacle and all the different things that you can see. And it keeps going all the way down there, all the way up into the village.
Ouais, alors.
C'est pas dégueu. Un café des noix. Je suis à 62,50.
Well, the spectacle's finished for right now. They'll do another show maybe a little later. But right now I'm just gonna kind of walk around and see what I can see and have a look at all the different things and check out what I can see. But it's pretty crazy when you see all the outfits on all the people. And they got all neat little displays everywhere along here and kind of showing you what they can do. Pretty neat. Later I'm gonna go up there. I'll head up to the village and check it out. Look at the size of that baguette. Oh my god. It's massive.
Oh, cette niche.
Well, I'm gonna just keep walking down here and see what I can see, but I wanted to show you right here. Look at how fresh this bread looks. Oh my god. Look at that.
C'est tout ce qui est marqué sur le panneau.
Wow, that looks so good, right? And then just down here.
Alors c'est que des produits naturels, c'est du miel, des épices et des fruits.
All made right here on the street for the festival.
Oui, c'était bien, mais
Check out these guys, man. Oh, la, la.
Quel bonheur!
on l'adopte, on l'adopte.
Hey guys, I just want to say thanks for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Totally different being out here in the medieval times, out here in Biot, France. Just want to say thanks for watching the video today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. It's free. Thanks for watching.